Living and working right here in the community, our day is filled with tasks we take seriously, like providing reliable Ruud home comfort systems to our customers, offering professional service on all brands, but always recommending the best. That, and completely dominating at the neighborhood chili cook-off.